It's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing or unbagging Nadine West. Nadine West is a monthly clothing subscription box. This is sent monthly. It's free based on a little survey you take when you sign up. You do pay a shipping charge, but that shipping charge is anything you decide to keep from the bag. This is a return envelope. You put all the items you don't want back in. You just take it to the post office and it's already paid, ready to go for you. I always do a review on my blog of this, and I usually, FYI, I'm going to add in some personal details. If you're new to the channel, I'm sorry. So I usually add in some photos at the end of me trying everything on. This month I will not be doing that. I can tell you right now, I decided before I made the video, I have to send this back. A lot of you guys that have subscribed to my channel for a while remember my cat Swifty. Yesterday she passed away, and I need to send this back. I'm like, I have to make these videos. I have to keep doing, keep doing things. But yeah, so I just give me some grace. I won't be adding the photos at the end. I just don't feel like, not in the mood for that. But we're going to open it together. I'm going to, we have to keep moving. We have to keep going. So anyway, the past couple bags have been for me. So we're going to find out. The last one, though, I did keep the dress I wore to church Sunday. It was really pretty on. And I actually got a bunch of compliments, so I'll take that. Everything's always wrapped up in like pink tissue paper. They do always include jewelry. FYI, you can't get out of it. I don't need any jewelry, but all right. So here's this. There's tons of stuff in here. Wow. They've been sending me a lot. Like, they don't know what to send me. I don't know why. All right, looks like there's a scarf, which I don't need any. I think I've said that in my videos too. This is really cute though. It's peaches, and then it has like rows of sheer. But their scarves are kind of pricey, and I just have so many scarves already that I don't need another scarf. So, all right. Then there's this. Oh, this is pretty, but it's big. I haven't updated my size, and the medium stuff, some of it's okay, some of it is not okay. So this has like pretty faux lace sleeves with flowers on them, all black. That's nice. Not summer attire, I'd say, but whatever. I'm not going to be mad about that. All right, then we have, there's a little insert with the prices of each item. So we'll go over that at the end. There's this top, which is okay. It looks really big. It looks like, I'm just not into like really baggy stuff. I know that that's like kind of what's now popular, but this necklace is pretty. It's just a long angled diamond. Then there's a circle. I like the negative space. That's pretty. And then we have another, is this a necklace? All pearls. So that's pretty. All right, then we have a hoodie. This is a no for me. I just don't like it. Reminds me of like Robin Hood, right? Am I right? But with gold, which is not my, yellow gold is not my thing. So there's that. But wait, there's more. All right. All right, so we still have a bunch more items in here. I will take pictures and put them all on my blog of the items, but just not on me. That's all. All right, so this is from Yolette. This is a shirt dress. I actually really like this, but I don't know that I want the horizontal stripes, and snakeskin is a no for me. I can look at this right now and be like, yeah, no, these are super ugly. I just don't. White snake is not my thing, the band. So that's what that reminds me of. Then there's this top, which is cute, but it's summertime. Like, I don't need a long sleeve top like this. So that's a no for me. And then finally is this. Oh, this is pretty. It's a romper though, and it looks just big. It does have pockets, yellow with white flowers and red centers. I might actually try this on. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's look at the prices of everything. So the black and white. So this is something they do that really rubs me the wrong way. They tell you the items, right? They don't tell you which item. So the Harriet, which who the heck knows what the Harriet is? It's black and white. Like 5 of those tops were black and white. hold on. So let me see here. I guess, all right. So the black and white top, which was this guy, the tank, is $29.99. That's a no for me, dog. The charcoal top, that's this guy, it's $33.99. The Tilly black top, that's this guy with the lace sleeves, also $29.99. The stripe, what the hell? Oh, hunter green, that's what that was. This one is $37.99. Yeah, no. Tan animal print pant is $29.49. That's a no. That's a big no. The dress is $29.99. This one, which I thought this was a romper, but no, it is definitely a romper. It's not a dress. There are legs in that. The shirt dress, this one, this was actually probably my favorite item in here, is $29.99. The necklace with the pearls is $29.99. The necklace with the ring, the circular thing, is $26.99, and then the pave crescent is $29.99. The scarf is $14.99. So for me, I don't think I'll be keeping anything this month, but that's okay. There are going to be months like that. And I, you know, maybe if I was in a different mood, maybe I would keep something, not sure. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and for your understanding. As always, I'll be back. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.